Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, we are back with the additional, not the additional of today's newspaper of Tuesday, January the 25th, 2022, because we have only one regular Sudoku, Sudoku medium, and I've told you today no additional. There was a misprint or an error by the publisher. We have a double same page of this puzzle page, so I've decided to solve the yesterday's edition. Monday, January the 24th. We have 3 puzzles left: Letter Sudoku, the Sudoku with 2 stars, and the tectonic with 1 star. First I will solve this letter Sudoku. Letter Sudoku number. This will be number 4028. Yes, 4028. And for letter Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. A little bit longer than a regular 1-star puzzle, because we have 27 printed letters, not digits. Let me check. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yes, 27 printed letters. And look, we have with digits 9 digits, 1 to 9, but with letters there are 9 letters out of 26. Yeah, alphabet has 26 letters. The 9 letters are the P, the K, the E, the R, the N, the J, the V, the I, and the O. And the goal is to solve this word in this column. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. We have, let me see. Yeah. I'm scanning. Well. PJ. We have. Come on. It's taking too long. JJ. Yeah. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing letters. One of the missing letters is an N. We have an N here in this second column, so no N in these 2 boxes. We have an N in this row, so no N in those 3 boxes. So the N could be here, could be there. And in one of those 2 boxes in this row and in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the N should be here or there. We see there, and then no N there, and should be there. And in this column and in the column next on the last column, the only place left for the N should be there. And in this row and in the last row, so the row B3, in the second row, the only 2 places left for the N should be here or there. We see there, and then no N there, and should be there. And I cannot continue with the N now. Let me see. 3 missing letters in the last row. Those missing letters are the I is missing, the V is missing, and the I, the V, and the E, yeah. So the I, the V, and the E. We have an I and a V in this column. So no I and a V in this box. The I and the V goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. I and a V, I and a V. We have an I here in this big square, so no I there. I should be here, and a V goes there. So one box left in the last row for the letter E. Okay, so we have an E in this, sorry, the I in this column, I in the second column. So the first column, the only two places left for the I should be here or there. We see that I, no I there, I should be there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the I. We have an I in this column, so no I in these 3 boxes. Here an I in the second row, so no I in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the I, should be there. I in this column, I in the column next, so the last column, only place left for the I, should be there. 2 missing letters in the last column. Those missing letters are the R is missing, and the R and the K is missing. R and the K. Let me mark those boxes. Alright. Okay. Then. How about? We have a V in this row. V in the last row, so a row between. The only 2 places left for the V should be here or there. We see there V, no V there. V should be there. E. The R is missing. I need an R. Alright. Let me see. V. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is a V. We have a V in the first row. So no V in these 3 boxes. Here, V in this column. So no V in those 2 boxes. So the V could be here, could be there. V in the first row, V in one of those 2 boxes in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the V should be there. Okay. The R is missing. And the K. The K. 3 missing letters in this big square. Those missing letters are the O is missing, the K is missing, and the R is missing. The R. Well, we have a K in this column, so no K in this box. So the K could be here, could be there. We have an O in the third row, so no O in this box. So the O goes together with the K as OK, as a pair, yes. So 1 digit left, 1 letter left in this big square for the letter R. Alright. We need an E. We need yeah. So we have an O in one of those 2 boxes in this row, O in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the O should be here or there. We see that O, no O there. O should be there. The K. Yeah, 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is a K. We have a K in this column, so no K in this box. Here, K in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, so no K in that box. So 1 box left for the K in this big square should be here. 2 missing letters in this big square for the letters E is missing, and the R is missing. E and R. E and R. We have a E there, no E there. E should be here, and R goes there. One letter is missing in the second row for the letter K. Two missing letters in the third row for the letters V and the E. Let me mark those. Okay. Three missing letters here. Okay. P is missing. And the E is missing. Let me see. J. P. Yeah. Three missing letters in this big square. Those missing letters are the I is missing, the P is missing, and the V is... No. We have a E and a V here. So the I, the P, and the R is missing. R, yeah. We have an I and a P in the middle column. So no I and a P in this box. The I and the P goes in those two boxes as a pair. Ip. Yes, ip, man. So one box left in the middle column for the letter R. All right. Okay. Now we have a R in this column, R in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left for the R should be here or there. We see there, no R there, R should be here. R in this row, R in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the R should be there. Two missing letters in this big square for the letters. G is missing and the P is missing. J, the J and the P, the J and the P, JP, JP. Okay. Then R in this column, R in the column next. So in the first column, the only place left for the R should be there. And I've eliminated the N, so the N goes there. Okay, so we have an N in this column, N in the second column. So the first column, the only three places left for the N should be here, or there. We see there an N, no N there. Here an N, no N there. The only place left for the N should be there. Two missing letters in this big square. For the letters O is missing, and P is missing. O and a P. O-P. How about VVJJ, P, I, the E, yeah, E in the third column, E in the second column. So the first column, the only two places left for the E should be here or there. We see there an E, no E there, E should be there. So two missing letters in the first column. The OK letters. OK, we have a K there, no K there. K should be here. And O goes here. One box left in this big square for letter O. Now we have O there, so this box can be O in the more. That box should be an O, and this box should be a P. Two missing letters in this column. Those missing letters are the P and the V. P and a V. V. Let me mark those two letters. So two missing letters in this big square for the letters. J is missing. And J and K. J and a K. We have a K there, no K there. K should be here, and the J goes here. Okay. One of the missing letter in this row. We have 3 missing letters. One of the missing letters is an O. We have an O here, so no O there. Here an O in this column, so no O there. The only place left for the O should be there. O in this column, O in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the O should be there. 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is a K. We have a K in this column, so no K in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the K should be there. 2 missing letters in this big square. For the letters, J is missing and E is missing. J and E cannot fill this yet. J and E. Here, so we have a J and the E as the first pair. The second pair, the I and the P. I and the P, we have an I there, no I there. I should be here and the P goes there. So 1 letter is missing in the first row for the letter P. 1 letter is missing in this row for the letter J. 2 missing letters in this column for the letters P and the A. E. P and the E. We have a P there, no P there. P should be here and the E goes there. So now we have solved this word. In Dutch, it's vrijkopen. In English, if you translate it, ransom. Ransom. Yes, ransom. Alright, let me continue. Yeah, I've solved this in 60 minutes. So let me continue with the puzzle. 1 box left in this, well, 2 boxes left in this column then. The J and the P, J and the P. We have a P there. So no P here, P should be here, and the J goes there. Now we have a J here, so this box can be J anymore. That box should be a J, and this box should be an E. Alright. Now we have a R there, so this box can be R anymore. That box should be an R, and this box should be a K. E and a V. P and a V. Now we have a P there, so this box can be P anymore. That box should be a P, and this box should be a V. 2 missing letters in this row, the middle row for the letters. V is missing, the V and the letter I. V and I. We have an I there, no I there. I should be here and a V goes there. Now we have a V there, so this box can't be V anymore. That box should be a V. This box should be an E. Alright, last 2 numbers. Letters. Correction. Letters in this big square. For the letters E is missing and J is missing. We have an E there, no E there. E should be here and the J goes there. Finish in 80 minutes. Exactly. Well, told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. And I've solved this in 80 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. With the other 2 puzzles, it will be a 2 stars puzzles. This one. 2 star Sudoku and a tectonic with 1 star. See you later. Bye bye for now.